Hey, what's up, investors? If you're looking for massive upside potential like 5x, 10x, and under $5 penny stocks, you absolutely cannot miss this video. Today, we're breaking down 3 explosive tickers, MGRX, SETI, and RXT, each with unique growth stories, upcoming catalysts, and huge profit potential if played right. These aren't random names. These are real companies with real news and growth opportunities that could spark some serious moves in the market. If you're serious about high-risk, high-reward investing, pay close attention because the next headline could change everything for these microcaps. Before we jump in, smash that like button. Let's hit 500 likes on this video if you want more deep dives into penny stocks. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss another explosive stock analysis. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up. Stocking on number 1, Mangoceuticals. All right, let's start with Mangoceuticals. Ticker MGRX, a microcap, a health and wellness company that's getting serious attention from traders looking for high upside. What they do? Mangoceuticals focuses on telemedicine wellness products, offering digital health services through platforms like MangoRX and Peaches RX. Originally targeting men's wellness, they've expanded into weight management and other health products. Recently, they announced a partnership with Cube Group to deploy a Solana-focused digital asset treasury strategy aiming to manage up to $100 million in crypto exposure. This is huge for a tiny company because it adds an entirely new potential revenue stream, industry and market opportunity. Telemedicine and digital wellness are booming industries expected to grow for years. Small, nimble companies like MGRX can capitalize on niche services and digital-first distribution models. Add in the optionality of crypto yield strategies and you have a company with multiple levers for potential growth. Why it's undervalued? Speculative appeal. At current share prices, often under $2 and a microcap market cap, this stock is priced very low relative to its potential catalysts. Small press releases, partnership announcements, or crypto updates could trigger significant percentage moves. Catalysts to watch: Cube Group partnership, Solana-focused digital asset treasury up to 100 recent 2.5 mil private placement to boost working capital and treasury expansion into broader wellness markets. Why it could go: parabolic microcaps with low float, strong news catalysts, and speculative optionality often see explosive moves. If MGRX executes on its crypto treasury strategy or expands its telehealth revenue, we could see sudden spikes. Stock number 2, Clean Energy Technologies. Now, let's switch gears to Clean Energy Technologies, ticker CT, a small but very interesting clean energy industrial play. What they do? SETI specializes in renewable and energy-efficient technologies, including waste heat recovery systems, waste-to-energy solutions, and industrial clean energy consulting. They help companies and municipalities reduce emissions and improve energy efficiency. Essentially, they're a niche player in the multi-trillion-dollar clean energy infrastructure market, industry and market opportunity. With governments and corporations worldwide aggressively pursuing decarbonization, small tech companies with proven solutions in clean energy have massive growth potential. Even a single-funded project or strategic partnership can drive investor attention, especially in a microcap like CD. Why? It's undervalued. Trading under $5, CD's market cap is tiny relative to its long-term potential. Investors often overlook these microcaps until they secure revenue-generating contracts or pilot projects. That means early positioning could pay off big if upcoming catalysts succeed. Catalysts to watch: Vermont renewable gas biomass project with secured funding and a long-term operations agreement. Expansion into heat to power and geothermal applications through strategic partnerships. Potential new contracts with industrial clients seeking clean energy solutions. Why it could spike. Microcaps like SETI are highly news-driven. Even small announcements can trigger significant price swings. If they announce new partnerships or project completions, it could create a parabolic move, especially with thin liquidity in the stock. Stock number 3, Rackspace Technology. Finally, let's dive into Rackspace Technology, ticker RXT, a technology and cloud services company that sometimes trades under $5, making it an attractive speculative play for tech-focused penny stock investors. What they do. Rackspace Technology is a managed cloud and multi-cloud solutions provider, helping companies operate, secure, and optimize their cloud environments. They work with public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid setups, often integrating AI and enterprise infrastructure services. Think of them as a critical partner for companies that need enterprise cloud solutions, but don't want to build it all in-house. Industry and market opportunity. Cloud computing continues to be one of the fastest growing sectors in enterprise IT. Hybrid cloud adoption, AI integration, and cybersecurity needs make companies like RXT valuable service providers. Even mid-tier cloud service providers can see rapid gains if enterprise clients increase spending. Why its undervalued turnaround story. Although RXT has hundreds of millions in revenue, its stock price has been depressed due to restructuring, leadership changes, and some operational losses. Traders see this as a classic turnaround story. The business is profitable on the revenue side, but undervalued due to temporary market skepticism. Catalysts to watch: leadership restructuring and new CEO initiatives focused on AI and cloud innovation, upcoming earnings announcements. Analysts will closely watch revenue growth and margins. Potential enterprise cloud contracts or AI integration deals that could boost recurring revenue. Why? It could go parabolic. Tech turnarounds in cloud services can produce large percentage gains when results beat expectations. Given RXT's history of volatility and current low price, positive news could cause strong sudden moves, making it attractive to speculative investors. All right, investors, now that we've broken down MGRX, CD, and RXT, it's your turn to weigh in. Which stock do you think has the highest potential to 10x? Which one are you most bullish on in the next 6 stock 12 months? Or rank all 3 in the comments from your favorite to least favorite. I want to hear your thoughts. And don't forget, the penny stock game is about timing, research, and risk management. Engaging in the comments helps everyone share ideas, strategies, and insights. So let's make this discussion active and valuable. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to smash that like button and help this community grow. If you haven't yet, subscribe and hit the bell so you're always the first to see the next explosive penny stock breakdown. And don't forget, you can follow me on Twitter X for real-time updates, hot tickers, and market commentary. Remember, the key to success in penny stocks is patience, discipline, and watching for the right catalysts. The next big move could happen fast, so stay alert and position wisely. Here's a final thought to leave you motivated. High risk, high reward investing isn't for everyone, but for those willing to do their homework and take calculated chances, the opportunities are real, and they're right here in these tiny under $5 tickers. Now, a quick but important note. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. The content in this video is for educational, informational purposes only. Always do your own research and due diligence before buying any stock mentioned here. Penny stocks are extremely volatile and risky, and you should only invest what you can afford to lose.